So we've done a few commercial solar systems. We've done the one up at West Bathurst Preschool, which they obviously wanted to reduce their power bills going forward. A commercial customer at the end of the day wants to have reduced electricity prices. The customer's looking at a return on investment, and they're also looking at a quality and a workmanship because they want that to last. And once you explain the benefits of using a quality system over a poorer system, the benefits far outweigh the cost. To accommodate the best usage, we also can work out when they're utilising their energy, whether it be morning, middle of the day, afternoon. You can design the system accordingly to do that. Yes, so it's definitely a case that to design the system for the consumption usage on site, whether or not they have a low, medium, high usage, and what other components and stuff that you can potentially take off the system to reduce their cost. Hot water diverters, timers, things like that to reduce their energy profile so they're in the middle of the day so they can utilise the solar production and reduce their bill even further. Bathurst has got a climate that is 40 degrees plus in summer and -8 in winter. We've got extreme conditions all year round, and sometimes we can even have 4 seasons in one day. By having quality, you're sort of assuring that the systems are going to work in all conditions and maintain that for a period of time. Yeah, so obviously better quality is good in a harsher environment. It's got all the testing procedures and stuff to accommodate the harsh conditions of Australia.